Boom. We're on set, y'all. I'm building my rig, my Black Magic 6K. Woo. It's almost done. I just gotta add the battery and the lens. Dave, come say hey to my live. You not gonna say hey? I'm hurt. Oh my gosh. Wow, my heart. That's messed up. He needed a Snickers, okay? Hungry, mood messed up, get a Snickers. But yeah, I'm building my Black Magic or Voodoo. Y'all, Dez on the team, Desi.world, went viral on TikTok. Dez, show your face. Dez went viral on TikTok. Y'all see his face? That's why he went viral on the hair. Y'all see that? They was like, dang, is that Huey from Boondocks?
Right, yo.
No cap. Your face, you got the structure. But that's cool.
Yeah,
that's what you should do for like Halloween.
I always wanted, you know who I originally wanted to be? I wanted to be Thugnificent.
Thugnificent.
Do the pigtails.
Yeah. Thugnificent. If you watch the Boondocks or if you've ever seen, you know, the Boondocks.
I'm trying to find like some good ass audio for Boondocks.
For what?
Like reenact.
Yeah. That'd be hard. You should do like that would be like a cool character shoot though. That too.
Ooh, like a different type of thing?
Yeah.
That'd be hard.
Who's gonna be Riley?
Who's gonna be Riley?
Yeah, who's gonna be Riley? Do you have a Riley in your life? No.
In my personality?
You know how like for your well, it could just be a one-person skit. Shit, you know that's how they do on TikTok now. One person skit.
I don't even know if I have an alter ego that's like a Riley.
Yeah. Nah, you just gotta be Huey. Riley's kind of bad.
I feel like if my younger self, that's hard to tap into.
Yeah. You have to be out. Yeah, Riley be wildin'. No voodoo, please. Yeah, no voodoo. Just Black Magic. You know, the 6K. So that's what I'm doing. I'm building my rig. I just added the Polar Pro. The Polar Pro has a square polarizer. And the polarizer cuts glare on the skin as well as like in windows and stuff like that. I'm trying to make sure I have all the cords. Rig isn't too crazy today. I don't have a monitor on or anything. Do y'all want to see the location? Camera crazy? Thanks. Dave, are you gonna say hey? Well, no, I'm sorry, you're not Dave. You move so quick. Kev, are you gonna say hey to the live? I gotta go get Dave. Dave is saying hey to the live.
I got you.
All right. Okay, let me show y'all the location. I'm messing up everybody's name. I know the game's name. Marquise in this piece, Casso.
Yo, what's going on?
Other rig getting built.
Have you seen it?
Ronin rig.
Where did you put this part?
What? I'm sorry, everybody. I just had this on pause.
So that's what I'm saying.
But this is the location. We're doing a bar scene look. I'm gonna go look for that piece. What is that? I'm vaxxed. I'm not happily vaxxed, but we are vaccinated out here. Yeah? Huh? Cool. You said what? C-stand? I would really just do it just in case, because 9 times out of 10 we're gonna use every single one that's in here. But yeah, the rig is pretty simple today. No monitor. Huh? Oh yeah, I'm talking to the live. Come say what's up to the live, Kev. Kev thought I was talking to Casper.
What's going on, y'all?
Hey.
Who's in it?
I don't know.
You don't know?
My eyesight's bad. I'm legally blind, y'all. I don't know if y'all know, but I can't see 2020.
You see your shapes right now.
Yeah, well, shoot, I can't even read the screens this far away. But hey, we're in here. I'm done building my rig. My camera's gonna charge up. The battery's a little far. I'm probably gonna shorten that. Kevin's building some C-stands. C-stands hold all types of different gadgets on sets. Flags, lights. Flags and lights shape the set. The shot captures the set. That's Dez. Dez is the GOAT. Okay? This is Dez. Everybody check out Dez. We're at the Ivy. Back at the location.
And one transmitter?
I'm done building my camera.
No, we got 2 different sets.
So what is this light gonna be? You gotta say, hey, you thought you could avoid it.
What's up?
Hey. Dave's the GOAT. Dave taught me a lot of the things I know. You know what I'm saying? Gotta give Dave his flowers. Here's Joe. See how the lights, how it's hitting. I said, let's see how the lights hitting. Nice hairlight accent. What, this right here? Aha! My bad. I can't hear. Go in one ear and out the other. Gear. Oh yeah, the fit, you know. You know. Woo. We got land in the cut. Alright, y'all. Well, hope you enjoyed this little tour / half camera build, 2/3 camera build. Introduction to some of the team. Hey.
Kevin.
Casa's the GOAT. For real. Yeah. Hey, not trying to be what? OG.
10 years, Andy. Give me 10 years.
10 years? Man.
Yeah.
Alright, another 10 years too. Well, y'all gonna be goated. Super goated. Got the production truck. Hey, let me chill out. Alright, y'all. Bye.